Yo, what's up guys, it's Justice. So we got a Cybertruck in today. I just tinted the windshield, but right now I'm gonna show you how to tint one of the doors. So let's go. Right now I'm just doing a little pocket shrink. So this is not a very curvy window. Nothing on this is super curvy, but I like to make just like a little pocket right there, let the film go down, hit it with the heat, just so whenever I go to install, it's gonna be really cupping that glass and there's a much smaller chance for fingers to pull up from the bottom. Open frame windows are my favorite to tint, and I think every window tinter will agree with me on that. So we cut one side first. Already got a lot of space on my bottom. Worry about everything being exact. It just needs to be rough shaped. We always make a priority here to cover our door panels. In all reality, there's only a couple of cars that you can actually damage the door panel with window tint. Those are usually Porsches because there's cardboard in the door panel, but it's always just in good practice to cover everything. And on anything that has an SUV or a truck chassis, there's gonna be dye inside the glass. That's what gives it the darker color to have the privacy effect. So there's no need to take film off or anything like that. We're just gonna be layering the film back on top of this. I wanna make sure that top edge is really clean because anything that drains down will go up underneath my film. It's time to install. Film has a protected clear layer like a release liner to protect the adhesive. All I'm doing there was separating it with my teeth, spraying it back with my water and baby shampoo solution. Damaging anything, but it just allows my film to slide just a little bit, just so I can get all the air bubbles out and get everything placed. Come on. There we go. Through, because I'm gonna take heat to this in a couple of minutes. After I let this dry and push all the water out. And then I can come back through with my file. Where's my paper towels at? To expedite the drying process, I'm taking the torch to it. All the heat does is act as a catalyst so the adhesive will start adhering quicker. That silicone's all in the way. But yeah, that's how I tint doors. So open frame doors are my favorite. They're super easy. I can do this all day, every day. I would be a very rich man if I got to do open frame doors every day. But that's not how life works. And but yeah, that's a little intro on how to do window tint. So this is great for people who are learning how to tint windows, someone who wants to freshen up, or if you're a customer and curious on how we do it. How's that, Alex? How was that? Was that cool?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
A little aggressive, but that's cool.